Hello. In this video I will show you something interesting about YouTube Shorts. It will be useful for those who wants to make Shorts video. It's not enough just to upload a video to YouTube. If you have a new channel, YouTube algorithms will not show your video for someone else. Simply put, you haven't any chances of becoming popular with Shorts even you have pretty good content. But there is some solution. You need to make several primary views with a good retention rate in the first 24 hours after you uploaded that short video. Let's make some experiment. I created two YouTube channels which are completely identical. I have two Shorts videos that have similar content. These video are not really good, but I make it only for these channels. Okay, I uploaded these shorts, and I put the same video information, description, tags. And now I have two the same short videos with a pretty similar content. Then I leave the second channel. This video has only my view. I want to do anything with this video. Let's go to the first channel. I will watch my video several times. I copy the video link, and add shorts to the link, so I can watch this video with the YouTube Shorts player. I open a guest user for this, so I make views from different users. I watched this short for a long time, so I make a view with a good retention rate. So I watched my video 20 times, with average views time 47 seconds, it's good for 20 seconds video. That simulates audience engagement. The second video has only one view. Then just wait some time. Okay, let's see what's happened after one day. I opened my channels, and as you can see, the first video reached 1,800 views. And the second, only 2 views. 1,800 views is a really nice result for such video. The number of views depends on the average time watching. Check this, my average time duration has dropped to 13 seconds, and because of that, YouTube algorithm stopped showing my short to people who watch Shorts feed. If you make a really good video which will entertain the audience, you can get great results. That's a no to make only 10 to 20 views. Don't abuse this method because it will not give more views. I make 60 initial views for another video, and I got only 700 views. So just watch your video sometimes, and send it to your friends. Bottom line of this video, your Shorts videos will not appear in Shorts feed, if it doesn't any views with good average time duration. If you want, I can make another experiment. What happens if I upload a huge number of short videos to that channel? Can I get monetization using Shorts? Thank you for watching.